come to the website, click a couple of buttons, follow my instructions carefully, and you will certainly be able to make bitcoins in less than 30 minutes. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you how you can mine 1 bitcoin in 45 minutes, and you are just going to require your computer system and your internet connection. The amazing thing about this method is that it works worldwide and it's really new. So it's going to overcome 2021. No skill, no experience is required. Only your computer system and a bit of your time are all the things you need. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. So without any further issues, let's get back to the video. So in step number 1, I desire you to go over to bitcoin.org. Now bitcoin.org is a very popular and outstanding website. It used to manage your cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency wallet. That is exactly why we are right here. Now, when you come to this website, you are going to see 3 options in front of you. We are going to choose this middle one right here, which will enable us to make our very own Bitcoin wallet, which is the major reason why we are on this website. So, what I desire you to do is click on this option right here, and after that, the web page will certainly look something like this. Down below, you can see there is a help section over below. It means this site has made a checklist of questions that will help us find a suitable wallet that will meet our requirements. So, what I want you to do next is click on the next option right here. When you click it, you will certainly see all these questions right here. There are about 4 questions in total. The first question is about operating system, which implies that this website will ask you which operating system you utilize. It can either be a smartphone or a desktop or perhaps a hard wallet. Currently, I'm making use of Windows. So, I'm going to select this option right here. Number 2, how much do you know about Bitcoin? If you have selected your more suitable response to the question, you can click the following button right here and it will move you to the next question. Question number 2 is, how much do you know about Bitcoin? Now, I'm not an experienced person or anything and I'm pretty new to this game. So, I'm most likely to click on the new option right here. Now, as you can see, they are offered me a couple of alternatives depending upon the answers to my previous questions. That indicates they have given me controls, transparency and fees. Now, control permits us to have complete control over our bitcoins. It suggests that no third party can freeze or take away our funds. However, you are still responsible for protecting or backing up your wallet though. So, I desire complete control over my funds. I'm most likely to select this alternative right here and I'm going to choose this choice right here, which enables us to control fees that are paid throughout making our transitions or modifying it. After that, to ensure that our transactions are confirmed on time without paying more than you truly have. So that appears pretty good to me. I'm going to choose that option also. As soon as you have selected the alternative that you desire, click next. And now it's time for the final question. What features are you trying to find? You have got all these options and as I said, I'm not an expert when it comes to bitcoins. So I don't understand what half of this means. If you know what all these options indicate, then you can proceed and select whichever one you desire. However, I would like to keep things simple for me. So, I'm going to select the 2FA generally, which is a way to add additional security to your wallet. This indicates that you will undoubtedly receive a passcode or a notification that will tell you that someone is trying to access the device whenever someone tries to access your wallet. And it will likewise send you a code to your phone. If you don't enter that code, then you can't log into your cryptocurrency wallet. That is excellent since you need to keep your wallet secure and have a 2-factor authentication security technique helpful. Once we have selected all the options right here, we are going to click on next. Now, as you can see, depending upon my answers, the website has given me Electrum. Currently, Electrum is a very lovely cryptocurrency wallet. When you reach this factor, I desire you to click on Electrum and the page will certainly look something like this. They are going to give you a brief introduction over all the things that it's understood for. If you want to read all this, feel free to read it and have even more information. We already know what all these points mean because we have already chosen each of them. When you are finished with this page, you can click on this option right here on the left hand side, which states visit the website. When you click on this option, it's going to take you to Electrum's website, where you can download Electrum, sign up, and receive your cryptocurrency wallet address. The following and the crucial step in this video, which is going over to bitcoinlive.app. Now, bitcoinlive.app is a website where you can earn several bitcoins by completing several tasks, such as surveys or watching videos. Once you have arrived below, what I want you to do is click on start and you will undoubtedly start making money. Before we go to that, I have to point out that they have a true lovely affiliate program. So as you can see on the top, once you click the affiliate, you will undoubtedly see your affiliate link. As you can see, you have your affiliate link over right here. Now, for those of you wondering what affiliate program is, it's a referral program in which you share your web link to your friends and family members or people on social media online. Generally, what this link does is that they take them back to this website over here. If you sign up on this website and begin to earn money, then you will certainly earn 70% of what everyone has made who has signed up on this website using this link that you shared with them. For now, I'm sure you are wondering how do you sign up on this website? Well, to sign up on this website, you have to go over to pricing webpage. So, I want you to click on pricing tab on the top over right here on the top bar over below. When you click on it, you will certainly see that you have 3 options right in front of you. Now, I have to claim that you need to pay a bit of a fee to sign up on this website. That's right. You have to pay a small amount of money to be able to use this website. However, in my viewpoint, that small fee is very little compared to the earnings you will make from this website. So, you have 3 subscriptions in front of you. The first one is the daily crypto key, in which you can gain up to 0.1 to 0.2 bitcoins each day. And I indicate every day, not night. You have to work on the day. It has a specific time, which I would not recommend doing because you would need to purchase the subscriptions every day for you to use it. So I would certainly not recommend utilizing it since it's a lot time consuming and it costs much more in the long run than the 2 other options. In option number 2, we have the weekly crypto key. As you can see in this subscription, you can earn anywhere in between 0.3 to 0.9 bitcoins every single week, which is actually impressive. Now, this is a little expensive than the first one, but not a lot more. Still, it's a lot better than the first one. Rather than having to buy the subscription every day, you buy it for a week. You use it 24/7 all the time. It doesn't matter as long as you are utilizing it. I additionally would not recommend this because you additionally have to buy it every week. It is more cheap than the first one in the long run. However, it's much more costly than the third subscriptions options we have more than below. So, in the third subscription option, we have the monthly crypto key, which I would undoubtedly recommend since you buy it for an entire month. After that, you can make approximately 1 to 3 bitcoins every day, which is somewhat crazy considering how much money it costs. It costs cents, and one is making hundreds and thousands of dollars by giving away cents, which is truly outstanding. I would suggest you utilize the monthly crypto key subscription because it is far more beneficial than the other 2 options. As soon as you purchase the subscription that is the most appropriate fund for you, I desire you to link your cryptocurrency wallet onto this website and that will be it. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you get some value out of this video and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, share this video with other people, and I will see you in some of my following videos.